Alright, what is going on everyone? Crypto Mac here, bringing you guys another crypto video. Today we're going to be looking at Casper or CasperLabs. I'm just going to do a pretty quick update video on how Casper's performing because it's holding very solid against Bitcoin and the rest of the market. So I feel like it should be spoken about and just give my speculative opinion on what could happen in the short term. So just want to say this is not financial advice, so please do your own research. Just a quick update looking at Casper. There's a big symmetrical triangle which we break out of. We talked about this and we actually hit it yesterday. We hit our target up here. We actually got a little bit higher than it, which is very nice. Not going to complain about that. And things looking pretty good, which they have been looking good ever since we broke out, right? After the breakout, we saw two lines of support, symmetrical triangle formed, broke out, and this line's aided to support many times. And recently here, big red candle followed by a big green candle on the 4-hourly and upwards. We hit our target, saw resistance, and now we're just hovering at 18 cents, which is really good. Because the main thing you have to consider is that Bitcoin's not performing that well right now, and Casper's doing really good. The other thing you can say is on this Fibonacci, you can see a bit of confluence here with our target and this line. So this is obviously going to be a resistance line. Once you break through this, that'll be really good, and our next line is obviously going to be this local high up here at 22 cents. Which is really good. It's really good to see for Casper. It's doing really good. I think, yeah, 22 cents is our next target. And then we can see where we can go from there upwards. Hopefully higher than that. One thing to look at. Now, it could just be from doing videos on Sandbox that I've been looking for bull flags. But we can see on the Casper versus Bitcoin chart. We can see a bull flag form, another bull flag form. And they're not the prettiest bull flags, not going to lie. But I feel like they're valid. So a line followed by a descending wedge, and then a breakout, another descending wedge, and then another one. And we're currently coming down. So should history repeat itself, we'd see something maybe like this play out at the top, at the bottom, and we might move sideways for a bit and move up. What this is indicating is that, or suggesting is that Casper's been performing well against Bitcoin, and if this continues, this run continues, well, it's going to continue to do well against Bitcoin, and could show that altcoin season is on its way. And at least for Casper, it's going to be performing well against Bitcoin, which is obviously always a good sign. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, because looking at Bitcoin and how we think it might go, or how it's been going, is important for all altcoins. We know it's come down to 54,000, went as low as 53,600, I think. Was a lower. So Bitcoin's gone down, continuing to go down. The pullback we've seen is 22%, which is not majorly significant, but it's decent. It's a decent sized pullback. And our next line of support is here at 51,000, or this orange line over here, which would be somewhere around 52,000, 53,000 maybe. So these two lines are our two lines of support. Which the white one's a cup and handle line. This orange one is this line going across here. Also, if we take the log form and pull this line across, we can see that this line actually is now a support line here, right? If we take the log version of this line actually hits this target, not this target, sorry, hits the candles, the live candles, hinting that there's a chance this is the bottom. And we get support of this line and move back up, back into maybe this sideways moving channel. Probably not. I think this is probably done. I can probably just stop this here, but we'll watch it. We may get back into it, and there could be resistance on this line. 2-3 weeks, a month, 2 months from now. So this is something to look at. The other bullish form at the moment is Bitcoin is in this descending wedge, which is another good thing. That's a bullish pattern. I said yesterday that we might move sideways here and break out and then start to move up, which would be really good. Should Bitcoin start to move up, we know that's going to give Casper a bit of a pump, a bit of a push to go even higher. And yeah, just get back up to these high levels, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. I think we can definitely get there for sure. Definitely a big possibility. As to the moment, it's just really solid to see Casper holding at 18.5 cents. It's a really good level. And hitting our price targets, super good. So if we continue to hold, that'd be really good. And yeah, As I said, that next target's up here at 23 cents. So let me know what you think Casper's going to do. Please like the video, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Catch ya.